Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Measure 1 teaspoon, about 3 g of wheatgrass powder for a mild serving or 1 tablespoon for a stronger dose. Choose filtered water and a clean glass to keep the flavor pure and avoid contaminants. Pour 6 to 8 ounces, 180-240 ml, of cool or room temperature water into the glass. Do not use hot water because heat can degrade chlorophyll and enzymes. If you prefer a thinner texture, add more water in 1 ounce increments until the mouthfeel is comfortable for you. Combine the measured powder and 6-8 ounces, 180-240 ml, water and stir briskly for 20 to 30 seconds until mostly dissolved. Use a small whisk, frother, or a shaker bottle with a mixing ball to fully dissolve powder and reduce clumps. These tools create a smoother mouthfeel. Optional. Blend with 1/4 cup, 60 ml fresh juice or half a banana to mellow the grassy flavor and add natural sweetness without sugar. Strain through a fine mesh if you prefer no sediment. Drink fresh immediately, ideally within 10 minutes, for maximum nutrient retention and flavor. If you must keep leftovers, store them in a sealed glass container in the refrigerator and consume within 24 hours, shaking before drinking to recombine settled powder. Start with 1 serving daily and monitor your digestive response. If tolerated, you can increase to 2 servings per day spaced several hours apart. Avoid taking wheatgrass on an empty stomach if you experience nausea, and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.